Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Anshu coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Thursday, January 26, 2017. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 31 degrees. Later today, we're expecting a high of 35 and a low of 23, with possible light snow. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, last night the Bulls lost against the Atlanta Hawks by a score of 114 to 117. And tonight the Blackhawks will play the Winnipeg Jets at 7:30. There are no clubs meeting today because it's a half day of school due to conferences. Announcements today are: any STEM fair proposals are due next Friday, February 3rd. And today during conferences is the Scholastic Book Fair from 1 till 7. Stop by before or after your conference to buy some books. And don't forget, there's no school tomorrow. Now a message from Mr. Smousher.
Thank you, Anshu. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Happy Thursday, kind of like Friday. It is an early release today, just in case you forgot. We are getting out at 11:40 today, and there is no school tomorrow. The egg is invisible. Ooh. No school tomorrow as well, but we do have conferences, so remind your parents about that. We will be here tonight and tomorrow morning. Let's see, we're going to pull some Herbie high fives, but before I do that, did you know that today is National Peanut Brittle Day and National Green Juice Day? I'm not quite sure what green juice is or what makes a green juice, but kale, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I'm sure it's a superfood. All right, this is the primary egg. Food for thought. Let's see, we've got remember to write legibly, please. It's the same person. I can't read it, I'm sorry. We have got Nandini in room 101. Benjamin in room 106. Selena in room 202. Oops, pull two out there. We've got Yana in room 112. Arna in looks like 214. Rainan in 107. I'll do one more. Pranav in 214. I'm fine.
You're sick.
I'm not
You
sick.
need a tissue?
No, I'm good. Slurp.
Keep slurping it.
Won't be hungry for lunch. Now the intermediate egg. That's right, I said it. Looks like we've got Maddie in room 209. Khalif in room 209. Omar in room 118. Allison in 205.
So you?
She thought it was going to be her. Jonathan in room 119. Ruby in 207. And the last one for today. Who's it going to be? Maya in room 205. Congratulations to everyone who got their name pulled. Remember, keep earning those Herbie high fives. Have a great day or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Smusher. Thursday's thought is always end the day with a positive thought. No matter how hard things were, tomorrow is a fresh opportunity to make it better. That's all for today. This week's production has been brought to you by the Wildcats production team. Have a President Theodore Roosevelt Thursday.